Hey, all right, I created a web app that makes my Midjourney images fight against each other until there's only one remaining. Let's see who the winner is. I don't know if you ever run into the problem where you have a bunch of similar pictures but you can't decide which one is best. This tournament should help you out. If you want to try it yourself, you can go to this link here, photo-bracket.vercel.app. I'll leave the link in the description below, but let's do a new tournament. We'll try to find my favorite picture out of these pictures here. These were all created with my Toxic Pollen mood board. In case you were wondering, the code is --P G5F74L2. On the website, you can click here and then find the pictures on your computer. And you don't have to worry about privacy or data or anything like that. Every image you upload only exists in that specific session. Like if you close your browser, everything goes away and you'd have to start again. The site doesn't hold memory or keep track of any data. It's just for fun. We'll click on build bracket, and then here we go. We have two brackets, lightning and burrito. You can randomize the seeds up here. Again, it's just for fun. It's not supposed to really be weighting the best of the best pictures at the start. And then we can click on start tournament at the top. And then all you're going to be doing is choosing your favorite between the two. Ooh, tough one. There are some buys that happen. Like it shouldn't matter how many images you upload, the bracket should be tailored to it no matter what. But in the case of certain numbers, there's going to be a lot of buys in the first round. And then basically in the second round is where everything picks up. When you're viewing the bracket, you can click resume matchup up here or click on the matchup itself and you get to choose. Oh, this is a tough one. This one's pretty cool. I like that. Ooh, that's so hard. Okay, I don't... Oh, this is tough. I feel like I like the Flash, though. We'll go with this one. Maybe Wonder Woman here? Okay, it says we're in the final four, so let's go to view bracket, and then here we are. We got the Hulk versus the Flash, and the Flash versus Wonder Woman. I think the Flash wins this one. I think Wonder Woman wins this one. And then, which one's the favorite out of these? Which one is going to get printed? Who do you think I'm going to pick, and who would you pick? What do you think? Can you see that? No, I got the worst autofocus ever. Oh, there you go. What do you think? It's the Flash. I printed it out using this Kodak P300R Mini 3 Retro. I'll have a link to this in the description below if you want to check it out yourself. I think it's pretty cool to print off your favorite Midjourney images. You know, create some mementos. But what do you think about this site? I know it's silly, I know it's sort of impractical in some sense, but it's also kind of fun, right? You can even download a certificate. All it does is put your picture in a little border and it's got the tournament champion winner at the top. And it tells you how many other pictures it beat out and it gives you the date of when it happened. I don't know, it's also kind of fun. Maybe I could print that whole thing itself. And I said I created this app, but obviously I didn't do much other than come up with the idea. Claude Code took care of all the hard work, and Vercel is like the coolest service ever. They basically just host a URL for you, and it's free unless you get more than like 200,000 visitors. So it's free for all intents and purposes. I'll be making a video about the process because I used one specific prompt with Claude that made everything so much easier than you can imagine. The future is crazy, AI is wild, it's here, so what are you going to do with it? For the record, this tournament bracket is supposed to work on mobile, but I haven't tested it yet and I have no idea what will happen. I remember Claude saying something about like, yeah, it should work, it's just not optimized. Okay, man, whatever. Anyways, if you want some help generating text in your images, make sure you watch this video now. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time. Peace.